Oh, we have this amazing GE washer and dryer right here. This is in the bathroom of the Airbnb me and my brother are staying at. It is a tiny home. So this washer and dryer is amazing. This is the settings for the washer right here. So you got this knob, very easy to use. The start button, you got this, and here's some more settings for depending on how you want to do that. And then, let me just come down here and show you the actual washer. So here's the inside of the washer in here. Very nice. And then you come up here. Let's come up over to the dryer. Here's the dryer settings, depending on how you want to adjust that. That's amazing. You got the start button, and then we'll come up in here into the dryer. And here we go. We got our little balls that help us out here. But let me just move this just to show you. So a nice vibe. Just amazing. We got this right here, and that comes out like that. But all in all, this washer and dryer is it's nice and it gets the job done. And straight up, don't look anymore. You don't need to look for a washer and dryer anymore. This is your washer and dryer. Highly recommend.